Okay, it's recording. Okay. Hey, people, YouTube, how's it going? Today, I'm gonna be doing another jacket video, and here I go. Okay. Fanta pineapple. God. Wait. What's this? Oh yeah. My charger from my iPod. I think that's off of that pocket. Nope. I got those weird jelly bean things. Let's try them. Yeah. I think that was dog food. Ugh. Ow. That tastes like peanuts, but I don't. Ew. Where's my other pocket? Okay. Yeah. That was nasty. Okay. Here's in the other pocket. My headphones for this. Wait. Oh. Hey. Yeah. My hand's stuck. See? My hand is stuck. There it goes. Okay. And I got 7 cents for the change. Where's it? Okay, let's go in the biggest pocket. Okay? Those jelly beans are still giving me an aftertaste. Oh, that's nasty. The other one was better. It tastes like peanuts, but I don't know what it really was. I hope this. Wait. The first one tasted like dog food. That was really nasty. No. Wait. You can still see me. Okay, that's good. I know that shit. Dang it. I'm having some technical difficulties, people. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. Okay, I got me a folder. Oh, look. With a picture. Paper with some verses. Student of the month. I'll tell you, that came unexpected. And a tiny town driver's license. And this robot looking thing that one of my friends drew. Sorry about that. And let's see, what is this? Yeah, I got me some more pictures. This is when I was probably about 2 years old. You know. This is my vacation Bible school picture. Okay. What's this? More pictures, man. How many pictures I got? A picture of my daddy. A picture when I was at the Skyview, Atlanta. The other one that was in that kind of frame was at the Georgia Aquarium. Man, I don't want my sleeve. Where's the pocket? I guess the sleeve had to come. What? I'm almost done with my video, okay? Okay. I'm almost done with my video. I got another picture of my daddy. And I got this picture that my friend drew and I colored it. So it's teamwork, I guess. See? I think that's all. Stupid sleeve, I don't want you. Yeah, I think that is all. Wait. Yeah, that's all. See you in the next video. Okay, y'all? Bye.